In this video, I'll show you how to set up Jotform Payments. Start by signing into your Jotform account. Create a new form or open an existing one that you want to use for collecting payments. Next, open the form in the Form Builder. From the left panel, click Payments and choose the payment gateway you want to use, such as Stripe, PayPal, or Square. After that, connect your payment account by signing in and authorizing Jotform to access it. Once the connection is complete, return to the Form Builder. Now configure your payment settings. Add your products or services, set the prices, choose the currency, and adjust any additional payment options you need. Next, save your form and click Publish. Copy the form link or embed it on your website so customers can start making payments. Finally, submit a test payment to make sure the payment gateway is working correctly and transactions are processed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Jotform Payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.